Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Rudy here with your yard service in the wood yard again, and this time we have the bagging edition plus the Solo Stove keeping warm edition as well. So look what I got, because it is fairly cool today. We have the Solo Stove Yukon going. And it is, at this moment, it's not really smokeless because we burn all kinds of scraps that I pull off from the splitter, splitting the spruce. So lots of little bark pieces and like chunky stuff. So this is why it's not really that smokeless. Over here, so this is keeping me warm, and over here I'm bagging. Those are the bags for our, so this is like some more spruce, pine tamarack. The little broom here is to make it less debris, because over the summer mowing around and stuff, so there's kind of like little debris stuff in there. So I'm gonna, goal is like to get 2 more bags in here. So we are ready to rock and roll for some more firewood orders for bags. And then here we have the aspen poplar mix slot, which needs to be restacked because I had a delivery yesterday, so we need to replenish this part here. But let's get going on the spruce here, mostly spruce over here at first, and I'm gonna set you up in front of the Solo Stove. So you can feel the heat and see when the smoke disappears. Yeah, so this is the setup for today. Nice. So these hold about 1 cubic foot. This little bucket here cut out, and I'm gonna put it in here. Of course, when you want to show it, it doesn't really work that well. Okay, nice. Okay, I'm gonna grab a few pieces here. Put them here. Nice to have a fire going on the side. If I wouldn't have a fire, those scraps would go to waste. So now I can burn them. Makes it nice. Pull this out. So the challenge is to keep this standing. question is always, how tight can we make it without making it a pain for the customer to actually pull out the pieces before they have to cut open the bag. Pull this guy out here. All right, nice. Nope, that's a little bit too punky here. There's a mushroom here, so I guess I'll burn this later. Same with this guy here. Too punky. And this guy's a little bit punky too here. Got to keep up with the quality control here. Keep up the quality control. So I got the 2 bags of spruce pine tamarack all loaded up in the rack here, as you can see there. So we got plenty, we got 18, we got 20 now. 20 ready to go. And now we're gonna stock up the poplar aspen slot here. We have 4 left, so goal is to make 16 before the sun sets. So I'm gonna grab some bug-free stuff from all these guys over there. I actually have a slot actually with set aside where the just bug-free is at, so I don't have to pick through those that do have bark on them. So let's do that, and then I'm back enjoying the warmth of the Solo Stove, the Yukon. Love it. Very nice heat. And my regular fire pit is just on the other side here. So my big one for like festivities and stuff. But like here, I want to have the fire mobile. And that's where this guy comes in. Still easy enough to wrestle around, the Yukon model, although that's the biggest one. It's still handable. So I can move it around in the yard wherever I want it to. So right now I want it beside the little lean on here where the bagged firewood is located and where I bag it. So this is ideal, especially on a beautiful day like today. No wind, or very little wind, and beautiful sun there, frosty grass, but beautiful for this kind of like stuff to do here with a Solo Stove. So let's stop rambling, get some aspen and poplar ready so we can bag it. So before it gets too dark, I'm gonna close it off for the day. Solo Stove is still going strong, beautiful, just the right amount of heat for this kind of project. As you can see, my goal so far has not been achieved, so I'm about another 9, about another 11 bags out. I'm hoping to get this done before the dark settles in. So now 11 bags out for the spruce and for the aspen poplar mix, and by that time the Solo Stove will be slowed down. I do not like to waste any nice fire, so so those are the scraps that are left for today. So comments, questions below in the section below. Another beautiful day closes off in the wood yard. You may be saying, Rudy, you got all these fancy lights installed here, especially around your bagged firewood stand, but still got a see over there where I bag it. Plus I don't want to move the fire pit. Anyways, that's it. Rudy here with your yard service, over and out, and see you in the next one.